Atomy business isn't about selling products to others. You should sell it to just one person. To whom? Now that you've become auto sales masters, you need to plan how you will shrewdly and wisely lead the organization towards success. There's an old proverb that goes, "A clever rabbit digs 3 burrows." That's how rabbits instinctively survive. It's my hope that you also dig 3 burrows. According to our marketing plan, you're supposed to have 2 partners on each side. But instead of 2, why not aim for 3 on each side? That would make it 6 on each side. So, you'd be personally nurturing 12 partners under you. It'd be wonderful if your partners cooperated with you smoothly. But sometimes they can be a bit stubborn. How can you prevent yourself from being swayed and held back by such people? You need a pool of talented individuals who are capable of being promoted and growing. If you even hint that you can reach the highest position by nurturing someone other than your partner, and they catch on, it will reflect on your leadership maturity. Instead, you should say, "It would truly bring me joy if my partner reached a higher position even before I do. I genuinely hope for the success of all my partners, or I'm doing my best to assist them." You should ensure that your partners perceive you as someone who's genuinely willing to sacrifice everything for their sake. How many burrows does a clever rabbit dig? 3. A clever rabbit digs 3 burrows. You're selling more than just products. You're selling a vision. Many people mistakenly believe they're only selling products, but it's that mindset that makes things challenging. Atomy business isn't about selling products to others. It's about selling to only one person. To whom? To yourself. Share this with the person next to you. Sell to yourself. And yourself only. If you meet 100 people, you need to inform them that they can earn $100,000 a month with this simple task. It goes beyond just selling a product. You're essentially offering life advice. Here's what you should tell them. Do you think your current job has good prospects for the future? Can you picture yourself still doing it in 20 or 30 years? Will it provide for your retirement? If the answer is no, join Atomy Business with me. Your words have the power to shape someone's entire life. I'm on track to become an Imperial Master, getting $1 million up front and pulling in $100,000 monthly. Make sure to keep spreading this message to people around you. As you talk about it, your dream starts to take shape and grow. A leader should never speak negatively. A leader should never utter words like impossible, difficult, hard, or exhausting. Instead, leaders inspire through positive speech, offering hope and painting grand visions for the future.